Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Equipment Remarketing. I'm going to give you a nice video here of a 2014 Moffett 55 sitting here. It's an M55 sitting here with 1,657 hours, showing 1,657 hours. This thing has a 10-foot mast. You have yourself brick and block forks with a backrest. If you want lumber forks, we can go ahead and switch that out at no cost for you. Now this thing has nice rubber all the way around, new on the other side here. Pretty much brand new in front. We'll take a look at the back here for you. The back is nearly new. And ladies and gentlemen, these gray parts are removed, such as this rollover cage, the back door, the hood. The diamond plating's removed. See the new bolts there. See your new bolts on your roll cage. The battery cover, some of these hydraulic covers. What we do is we paint that all separately, so then we put it back together so you have a coat of paint in between. The seat's actually removed. It has a new seat on there. Then that way you have a long-lasting finish. Now we also look for anything worn, such as pins, bushings, mast bearings, chains, rollers. Any of that's found bad, it's removed. It's removed and replaced. If I get up here close, you might be able to see there's new hoses here and there. The hose needs replaced, it's taken care of. If we find a leak, it's taken care of. So if anything worn or leaking or weak pressure, we take care of it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll give you what we call an operational guarantee. What that simply means, it's going to be a condition I've shown you here today, or we're going to back you up. You can buy it sight unseen just using this video and the pictures and be confident we're going to take care of you. Now that's very short term, just when it shows up, so you can find yourself not being disappointed. With Kubota engine, we'll go ahead and back that up for another 30 days after your very short term, just when it shows up, operational guarantee. I'll show you top of the engine. It's a V2203 Kubota. These things have lasted for years within Bobcat 753s and different equipment. This one should give you a long lasting life. It's only got that hours I told you, 1,657. Now, ladies and gentlemen, look how clean it is here. Now, we're going to go ahead and fire it up for you, show you how well she runs, show you some operationals. So we're going to hear this Kubota come to life. There we go. Now, we got the Kubota up and going. We're going to mast up and down. Tilt. Side shift, outriggers, mast carriage in and out. Now he's going to drive it around to show you how nice and tight the steering is. All your lights are working, your backup alarm. All your motors are in sync. No leaks. Why even buy new when you can buy this baby with the operational guarantee and a 30-day engine warranty? Now, ladies and gentlemen, you can give us a call. 260-238-4998. 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thanks for checking out this video.